stated, when life happens, are you prepared workbook set. This is a gift for you and your loved ones and convenience for your loved ones because this is a straightforward solution for life's unexpected events. This is going to house all of your important personal information, your financial, medical, life insurance, and burial information all in one place. There's no app. You're not getting on the computer. There's no fees to put this together. You are simply going to simply state all of that information in one place. You could put your passwords, your account information in here. You can even put in those burial requests in here. So this is actually hitting home for a lot of us here at QVC right now. I was just talking to my producer here. He lost a loved one and he and his family are still trying to figure out some of that information that they need to say goodbye. And this is such a wonderful opportunity to pick this up for $28.98 or 3 easy payments of $9.66. We have had how many, Chunky, ordered this week? 1,500 of these were ordered this week, and there are fewer than 1,000 to go around. This is very, very special. So you are going to get your workbook here in this very easy spiral sort of way. You're also going to get 3 envelopes and some labels. This price goes up at the end of the day. You simply put in all that information with ease. I am so excited to welcome out our special guest who created this. She's one of the co-founders. She's a financial advisor. She created this for herself and her clients. It's Priscilla Johnson. Come on out here. Welcome to QVC. It's nice to meet you and see you. This is wonderful. So right out the gate, I just want to know, why did you create this?
Yeah. So oftentimes I felt like I was getting the same information that was being asked from our clients. And I thought if they had a workbook that they can complete and put away, how great, how life would be so much easier for myself and for them, right?
Right, absolutely.
So then I went on a venture looking for a workbook, and I couldn't find one. Just being in the industry that we're in, I know the information that's really needed. So I couldn't find a workbook, and so I created one.
I love that.
And it was really neat because I was a tester along with some of our other clients. And it was just so much fun because really it has all the information. It covers your personal information, which I always say each section builds upon itself. So you have the personal and financial information. You've got actually the first section of the workbook, you can actually create an obituary. Oh, wow. And then from your household expenses. Like oftentimes I feel like you've got that one dominant person that knows what gets paid on a daily basis or on a monthly basis. And the other spouse or the other individual is often, there's not transparency. So here you've got, you go into like debt obligations, you go into transportation, financial account information.
Oh my goodness.
And then you also go into medical and life insurance. I feel like oftentimes we don't really know the coverage that we have.
Absolutely.
Because it's not laid out by like, what is that actual coverage that you have with your employer? Or, your medical providers. Like oftentimes, how often do you forget the specialist, your primary care provider?
Definitely.
And then your medications, life insurance.
Wow, we are fewer than 800 now. Lots of us are picking this one up. Sale price is $28.98, 3 easy pays of $9.66. That price goes up at the end of the day. You are just blowing my mind here with just even looking through some of these pages. I'm like, wow, this is some really wild information. Of course, I mean, your loans, your lines of credit, the IRS, all sorts of different things here. But this is so fantastic because it's all in one spot.
Yes.
And that's what makes it so easy for your loved ones should they need to dive in there and take a look at some of that information. Love, love, love this. So right out of the box, it's simple as that. We open it and then we start filling it out.
That's right, because each section has a checklist and it guides you on where to put the documents, what needs to be filled out, what needs to be gathered, and it also gives you tips. So it's almost like having your life, like a life planner, at your fingertips in the workbook.
Oh my goodness. Well, I just turned to this one, funeral request, and I actually just went home to visit my mom last week. She's in a skilled nursing facility right now, and I am the big brother of my family, and she sat me down and she said, Stephen, I want want to talk to you about when I pass, what I want my funeral to be. And I was like, I don't know if I've ever been prepared to have this conversation with you, Mom. And she was like, well, get ready. I want an emerald green casket.
Yes.
I want this song played
Yes.
when this. I'm like, whoa, Mom. Okay, hold on. Let me write all this information down.
Well,
So,
now you have the workbook.
exactly. Thank goodness. And at this very special price of $28.98 or 3 easy payments of $9.66, you can pick this up. This price goes up at the end of the day. We have less than 600 now to go around. Lots of us picking this one up. Thank you for bringing this to us. This is very important and very special. Just like you. Nice to see you, Priscilla. All right. Well, Rosina, what's happening over there with you? You've got something fantastic to talk about.
This is amazing. Now, you know that Tarte is one of the biggest cosmetic companies in the world, and you know that